from nature we have found. Air and water, soil and trees, earth provides what people need. We breathe the air, it keeps us alive, with oxygen to help us thrive. We drink the water, fresh and clean, a precious resource always seen. The soil grows the food we eat, plants and crops a farming treat, with minerals and metals too, building, making, shaping new. Forests give us wood and shade, homes for creatures cool they've made, and living organisms show nature's balance helps life grow. Natural resources all around, gifts from nature we have found. Air and water, soil and trees, earth provides what people need. Natural resources all around, gifts from nature we have found.